Hey guys, welcome back to Stay True TV. This is just a quick video to explain to you guys how this game works. So we've come up with the game geocaching. And what the game is we go out, we set one of these cards. This card here contains a dollar amount, a unique card number. On the back, it's got the video name that this card's related to. For you guys to win, you need to subscribe to the channel. You need to watch the video. You watch the video to find out where we go to hide this card. If you find this card, there's a keyword within the video that needs to be placed with this card, plus a photo, and sent to us. From there, we will take care of the rest. You guys have won this prize. But you must have this card in possession, and you must have that keyword ready to go. So, for all of you guys that are out there and want to play this game, don't forget to subscribe, set your notifications so whenever these geocaches are set out throughout Australia, you guys will know, you'll get the notification that they've been set, you'll be able to look, and if it's in your area, this prize could be yours. Good luck guys, stay safe.